everyone, welcome back. In this session, we are going to talk about enumeration. So what is enumeration? Enumeration is an advanced reconnaissance technique. Here we use advanced technique to collect a lot more information about the target. In previous practical, we collected some ports, right? And also we collected some software details. Using of that, so we will move forward and we'll try to collect more information. So let me open my Kali. So in NMAP, we have also called as NMAP script engines there. So using of that script engines, we can collect advanced information. Okay. So in previous scan, we identified port number 21 is running FTP service, right? So anyway, let me perform it again, NMAP. So -P21, enter. So it is running FTP service. So I want to get more details about this FTP service. So how to do that? So just first we need to locate where the scripting is present. So locate. So anything with end with .nsc, I need to crawl that information, and if I hit enter, it's not giving, and I think my database is not updated. So let me update database. Yeah, it's completed now. And let me execute the previous command. See, we have many scripts there in NMAP, but I just want to filter only. We have many scripts there, but here I want to filter only FTP related scripts. I don't need all these scripts. Okay, then I can apply a filter. So just I apply pipe. So graph is used for filtering the data. So I want to filter FTP. See, this time I got only FTP related scripts. Like that we can filter. So these are the FTP related scripts. Let me go with default very first one. Let me copy this path. And I use this script to collect more information about FTP service running on my target mission. So let me type sudo nmap, and here if I want to mention the script, I need to type -" script, and let me paste the path. Then I need to mention the port number 21, and let me perform software version scan, and finally we need to mention the target IP address. It's 0.65. Enter. See, my scan is done. So FTP anonymous scan means if it is checked whether your FTP service allowing attacker to. So FTP anon scan means it will check whether your FTP service allowing FTP anonymous login or not. So what is anonymous login? So anonymous FTP login allowed. So FTP anonymous login means we can anonymously log in into that FTP service without entering password. We can enter username as anonymous, and with blank password also we can log in. Don't you believe? All right. So here we got the result. So anonymous FTP login allowed in my target mission. I'll show you how to connect FTP, and here I need to give my target IP address. See, connected to 65, but here it's asking username. I give username as anonymous. Enter. It's asking for password. As of now, I don't know password. I just click enter. See, login successful. That's it. Anonymously, I log in. Let me check. Is there any files present? No, there is no any files present. But in this service, if you have any sensitive files present, I can able to download those files. Okay. So like that, using of enumeration techniques, you can collect more information about the target. I hope you guys understand. And this is all for this video. I hope you understand. I hope you like this video, and I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, bye-bye.